I dipped in and out of the refinishing process because I was actually sanding and treating my own floor, another floor at my shop with Bona products. But unfortunately, I had to do all the hard work of that myself. I was back and forth, and the thing that really appealed to me, aside from knowing we were going to end up with a great floor, was the low VOC situation. We try to use paints within the house that are more environmentally conscious, considering, you know, we're committed to living here a long time and we've got young children. The treatment of the floor wasn't going to give off nasty chemicals. But also, after a really awful experience with a cowboy decorator who sanded all of the walls back in here without putting a single sheet or anything or separating the room, and we came home and every single thing in the house was covered in a thick layer of plaster, already off the back of other problems with him, the idea of it being like 99% dust-free was hugely appealing. And it meant that whilst we cleared the furniture out from the floor, we kind of left the kitchen worktops and any of our other belongings just where they were, which made that kind of process of moving out of the house whilst the work was done far easier. And knowing we weren't going to come home to a huge mess to clear up. The guys that came to do the work were really, really friendly and lovely, but also really professional and talked me through every stage, so I knew kind of where that day was going, timescale wise, because we had moved out at the time, what we were looking at. And also I just knew it was taken care of, which after the last kind of couple of years of doing a lot of work ourselves was a big relief for me.